Very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 2.5. First question, which is greater? So that which is greater, first part is 0.5 or 0.05. You know that just after decimal this is a 5 or just after decimal this is a 0. So which is greater? This is a greater. So 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Second part, that is decimal 7 or decimal 5. 0.7 or 0.5. Obviously looking, that is a 7. So 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Third part, that is 7 or 0.7. 7 or 0.7. So before the decimal here is a 0, here is a 7. So that is a 7 is greater. Fourth part, that 1.37. 1.37 or 1.49. 1.49. So see that 1 before the decimal 1 is the same, after decimal here 3 or this is the 4. So this is the greater 37, that is greater 1.49. Fifth part, fifth part 2.03 or 2.30. So obviously you are looking before the decimal is same, after decimal first digit 0 or this first digit is 3, so that is greater. 2.03 is smaller than 2.30. Sixth part, that 0.8 or 0.88. So see that after decimal, before decimal is the same, after decimal this is same, but this is the 8 or here is 0. No need to write the 0, so that this is the greater. So 0.8 is smaller than 0.88. Express as rupees using decimal. Express as rupees using decimal. So first part is 7 paise. 7 paise is equal to 1 rupee is equal to, you know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So that will be 7 upon 100 rupees. That will be rupees 7 upon 100, or you can write in like this 0.07. Second part, it means everywhere you will be write upon 10. 7 rupees, 7 rupees like this, 7 rupees 7 paise, 7 paise. So that will be 7 plus 7 upon 100, that is rupees. So that will be 7.07. 7.07. Third part is, that is 77 rupees 77 paise. 77 rupees 77 paise. So that 70 rupees 77 plus 77 upon 100. So that will be rupees 77.77. Fourth part, this is 50 paise. 50 paise is equal to rupees 50 upon 100. So that will be rupees 0.5 paise, or you can write 0 also. Fifth part, that is 235 paise. 235 paise is equal to rupees 235 upon 100. By the division, that will be 2.35 paise. Question number 3. First part is that express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Express 5 centimeter So 5 centimeter is equal to, in meter, that will be 5 upon 100 meter. So that will be 0.05 meter. Or that is the first answer. In kilometer also. So kilometer also means 5 centimeter is equal to 5 upon 100 is a meter, and 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter. So that 0 decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 5 kilometer. Second part is 35 mm. 35 mm is equal to, that will be 35 upon 10, that is centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So that will be 3.5 centimeter. So 35 mm is equal to 35 upon 10 into 100 for the meter. For meter, yes. So that 1, 2, 3, 0 are there. So 0.035 meter. 35 mm is equal to 35 upon 10 into 100 into 1000, because 1 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter, that is kilometer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is kilometer. Now the question number next, fourth, express in kg. Express in kg. First, 200 gram is equal to 200 upon 1000 kg, because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So that will be 0.200 kg, or you can write this one like this also, right? Second, 3470 gram. 3470 gram is equal to 3470 upon 1000 kg. So that 3.470 kg. Third part is 4 kg 8 gram. 4 kg 8 gram is equal to 4 plus 8 upon 1000 kg. So that will be 4 plus 0.008 kg. So that will be 4.008 kg. Right? Now the question number 5. Question number 5 is saying, which the following decimal number in the expanded form? Yes, question number 5. Write the following decimal number in the expanded form. Expanded form, you know, you have studied in 4th class, 5th class, 20.03. In expanded form, you can write like this. 20 plus 0 plus 0 upon 10 plus 3 upon 10, 100. After decimal, you will be write like this. 0 upon 10, 3 upon 100. After that, we will be write 1000, 10,000 like this. 2.03 is equal to 2 plus 0 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100. Third part, that will be 200 decimal 03 is equal to 200 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100. Fourth part is 2.034 is equal to 2 plus 0 upon 10 plus 3 upon 100 plus 4 upon 1000. And then question number 6, write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. 6, place value of 2's, that 2.56. So place value of 2 is equal to, that is 2 only, because after 2 is not there, decimal is started. Second part, 21.37. The place value of 2 is equal to 20. After decimal, after 2 you are looking, one digit is there. And then 10.25. So place value of 2 is equal to 2 upon 10. That will be fourth part, 9.42. So place value of 2 is equal to, that is 2 upon 100. After decimal you are looking, that is a second digit. Fifth part, 63.352. So place value of 2 is equal to, that will be 2 upon 1000, because after decimal on the third place. Question number 7. Seventh question is that Dinesh went from place A to B, and from there to place C. After C is 7.5, from B, and B is 12.7 from C. So that Ayub went place A to place D. From the place of C, D is 9.3 from A, and C is 11.8 from D. Who travel more and by how much? So Dinesh travel. So that will be Dinesh travel is equal to that first 7.5 plus 12.5, 7. 12.7. 7, 5, 12, carry 1, 7 to 9, 1, 10, carry 1, 1, 1, 2 km. And then Ayub travel is equal to that 9.3 plus 11.8. So that will be 8, 3, 11. And then 9, 11, 10, 1, 11. And then 2, 21.1 km. So Ayub travel more. How much? That 21.1 minus 20.2. So that 11 less 2, 9. And then 0 less 0, that is 0. That is 0.9 km. Syam bought this kg of grapes and this kg of mangoes. Sarla, that is also purchasing these 10. Who's bought more fruit? So that 8th part, solution. Syama bought fruit is equal to that 5 kg 300 gram plus 3 kg 250 gram. So that will be 0, 0, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, and then kg 5, 3, 8. And then second is Sarla bought fruits is equal to that 4 800 gram 4 kg 800 gram plus 4 kg 150 gram 4 kg 150 gram. So total fruit 0 5 9 and then kg 8. So that who's bought more fruit? That is Sarla. Sarla bought more fruit. And how much that will be? 8 kg 950 gram minus 8 kg 550 gram. So that will be 0 less 0 0, 5 less 5 0, 9 less 5 400 gram kg, but more. How much less is 28? 8th question we can see, 9th question we can see here. This is not a very long question, so small question. How much less is 28 than 42.6 subtract 28 km minus 28 km. So that will be subtraction. Decimal 6 will become same. 12 less 8 4 and then 3 less 2 1. That is a 14.6 km.